Hi, I'm Eric. I'm a writer here at Crutchfield, and today we're going to look at the TEAC TN-280BT turntable. Looking at this turntable, one of the things that I like right away is the way it looks. It's got this really classic walnut veneer. It's got these big chunky buttons that are really easy to manipulate. It's kind of a cool looking turntable. It comes at a good price point. It has its own built-in phono preamp, so it's basically ready to be hooked up any way you want. But you can even go wireless. Like ordinarily, if you're talking about hooking up your turntable, you are kind of constrained by the length of this RCA cable that comes with it. But this turntable has Bluetooth built in, so you can go wireless and connect directly to your Bluetooth speakers. Pretty much everything you need to set this turntable up is in the box already. It's going to come with the cartridge pre-installed. It's got a counterweight in the box. It's got everything that you need really to hook it up, and as I mentioned, it has a built-in phono preamp, so you're going to be able to connect it whether you have an external preamp, whether you have a receiver that has a phono input. None of those things really matter. If you're just using a set of powered speakers, it's going to work fine with anything you've got, and as I mentioned, probably the coolest thing about it is that it can connect to a wireless speaker or pair of speakers via Bluetooth. In terms of pairing with a Bluetooth speaker, this is actually a fairly simple process. There's a button here on the side of the turntable. You just hold that down to kind of wake it up, and then this light will start blinking slowly, and it will acquire whatever speaker you have nearby, and you'll just push it again, and then when the light stops blinking and goes solid, you're paired with your speakers and you're ready to listen to music. This is a belt-driven, fully manual turntable, which means once you've got it turned on and it's spinning, then you're going to personally take the tone arm and place it on the record. And when it reaches the end, you're going to have to take it back off. You're going to want to use this lever to kind of make that process work smoothly. But it is belt driven, which a lot of people prefer. This is a great turntable for someone who maybe wants to upgrade from a turntable with a built-in speaker. This is going to sound better, it's going to last longer, and connecting it to a nice pair of speakers is going to make everything sound worlds better. It's also affordable. So it's a great beginner's turntable or an entry-level turntable for folks who might not be as familiar with them and don't want to get a lot into tweaking and having to learn a lot about how to work the turntable. This is mostly ready to go straight out of the box. You just assemble a few pieces, and that's all in the manual, easy to read, and then you're ready to go and start listening to music right away. Compared to other entry-level turntables, I'd say this maybe even goes a step above an entry-level turntable. This solid wood plinth provides a lot of stability, which is very important when you're playing records, and it also has a motor that's separated from the rest of the chassis, so that doesn't transmit any vibrations that can color the sound. I was also surprised to see that this turntable features a removable head shell, which is a feature that you usually find on higher level turntables, but that makes it very easy to remove the cartridge that comes with it and substitute another one if you'd like. So that's the TEAC TN-280BT turntable, which, as you can tell, is a great looking turntable. It offers a lot of value and a lot of convenience, including built-in Bluetooth, which is great for connecting to a pair of Bluetooth speakers or even a pair of Bluetooth headphones if you need to listen quietly while others are asleep or busy. If you like this video, please leave us a question or a comment below, and like and subscribe so you can get all our future videos as well.